Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Seema. So guys, today I will tell you in this video how I started learning English without spending a single rupee, guys. So in starting I thought I should join any coaching class, but after I thought no, without spending money I will learn English. So guys, then I started using free resources like YouTube. When was some suppose that I was cooking food, what I was doing that time, I used to watch video with my work. Sometime I used to listen only audio like any podcast, and movie also I used to listen movie, not watching. So sometime I have some question in my mind. I used to use Google also, but I left using Google when I found ChatGPT, guys. So now most of the time I use YouTube and ChatGPT, and I used free dictionary also, and I never used any paid resources. So guys, if you also want to learn English, then I think in starting you have no need to learn any coaching class. Um, you can join coaching class for practicing, but in starting I think you should learn with yourself. Like you should use free resources like me, because it helped me a lot. I can save my time also using this application, because if I join any class, then I have to give more time, like going and coming this time also, and sometime I have to give fare also. So in starting you should use free resources like what I said, like application YouTube, ChatGPT, Google, this type application you can also use. There is lots of application like grammar application, vocabulary application, then you can use. And after that, when you feel that now I can understand English, and I can make sentences, but I'm not able to speak only, then you can join coaching class for practice. So guys, I think you enjoyed my video. So if you like my video, then like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye bye.